Hello everyone and welcome to today's class. Today we are going to be talking about the various types of stairs. The first one is the straight stairs. What are straight stairs? Basically, they are the stairs without any changes in direction, यानी जहाँ जिस direction से वो शुरू होती हैं खत्म भी वो उसी same direction में ही होती हैं without any twist, turn or curve in between. They are one of the most common types of stairs which are found both in residential as well as commercial properties and बहुत सारे अलग अलग रेलिंग टाइप्स वुडन पीसेस स्ट्रिंगर स्टाइल्स को यूज करके इन सिंपल कॉमन स्ट्रेट स्टेयर्स में भी काफ़ी ड्रामा और काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट क्रिएट किया जा सकता है. Now, when we say straight stairs, I said that the stairs start from the same direction and end in the same direction without any directional change or twist or turn in between. But straight stairs can have a central landing. What is a central landing? Once we were in the last classes when we were discussing about the various components of stairs, and in that class we discussed about the landing portion of stairs. This here is the landing, यानी stairs के बीच में यदि कोई flat surface दिया जाए ताकि direction change हो सके या फिर if there is a long flight of stairs तो उस केस में रेस्ट दी जा सके उसके लिए लैंडिंग का पोर्शन दिया जाता है. It is commonly inserted to break up the flight because there are certain building codes which require कि अगर आपकी फ्लोर हाइट जो है वो 12 फीट से ज़्यादा है, यानी आपकी फ्लोर और सीलिंग के बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है जिसको आपकी स्टेयरकेस connect कर रही है, that is longer or taller than 12 feet, then you ought to give a central landing in between those straight stairs. Next time, when you are visiting any kind of straight stairs, do notice whether those stairs have a central landing or not. Now, there are various advantages of a straight stair. They are very easy. They are very easy to climb up, come down, ascend or descend because we are very used to climbing up in a single direction. Then they are easy to build as well because there is no curve, so the workmanship is easier. Again, if you have a lot of detailing in the design, then it can become a little complicated, but commonly they are the most easiest ones to build. The third advantage is that straight stairs they only need to be connected at the top and the bottom, यानी बीच में कोई intermediate structure की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Then they work well with minimalist design because they are very simplistic in their design. So ये बहुत minimalistic होती हैं, बहुत simple तरीके से as visible in this picture. They are very easy and they can be very simplistic in their design. And by selecting thinner treads and risers, I'm sure you are well aware of what is a tread and what is a riser. So this is a tread and this is a riser, then tread, then riser. So if you use very thin treads and risers and thin metal stringers, the straight stairs can be made more transparent. Varna stairs can be very dominating structures in your interiors. But if you want to make your stairs to be taking up, like if you want your stairs to look like that they don't take up much space, then with straight stairs you have this possibility of having a very minimalistic designed thin tread and risers wala stairs which take up less space and which is more transparent in their overall look, which allows less obstruction to the view. Then it requires landing only if the vertical height is above 12 feet, otherwise you can make it a straight flight of stairs. It is also relatively easy to build railings and handrails for straight stairs. Imagine building handrails for a straight pair of for a straight stair. You need singular pieces, or it is something that can be done by anybody. All right. But if you were to make handrails for curved stairs or spiral stairs, that would need far complicated workmanship. And it is also easy to design them. It is also easy to measure them, because straight stairs are one of the most simplistic in their designs. However, there are certain disadvantages of straight stairs as well. Straight stairs use a fair amount of linear space. बहुत छोटी स्पेस में अगर आपको एक टॉल या फिर एक हाइट को कनेक्ट करना है तो स्ट्रेट स्टेयर्स से संभव नहीं हो पाएगा. You will need either a spiral stair or a curved flight of stairs. Straight stairs, they tend to take up a lot of space, and they need a lot of space for connecting a taller space between the floor and the roof. Then another disadvantage is that some of the other stair types which create a privacy barrier between the floors of your home, straight stairs do not offer this privacy. It is more of a widespread sort of a design. So that privacy is something that you cannot afford if you are going for a straight stairs. And another disadvantage is that a stair of say 12 feet height requires a landing to break up the span. This addition of a landing will use a lot more space, and therefore these types of stairs are randomly used in residential buildings nowadays, because we don't have that much space to afford these very wide space consuming straight stairs. And if the height is above 12 feet, you will have to give extra space for a central landing. And that's the reason why we see far more different types of stairs nowadays, especially in the interiors in our residential buildings. So the another type of stair which is a little bit different from the straight stair is the L-shaped stairs. The L-shaped stair is basically a variation of the straight stair, जहाँ ये बीच में bend हो जाती हैं. So this creates an L. Because this changes the direction with the help of a central landing, this bend is often 90 degrees. This bend is often 90 degrees because you need to have a 90-degree bend in order to create an L-shaped structure. If the landing is closer to the top or the bottom of the stairs, तो इसको एक long L या quarter turn stair भी कहा जा सकता है. In this case, the landing here is very closer to the bottom. It can be closer to the top of the stairs as well, but the shape of the L tends to change a little bit. So that would be a longer L. There are various advantages of L-shaped stairs as well. L-shaped stairs can be more visually interesting as compared to the simple old straight stairs. इसके अलावा ये एक विजुअल बैरियर प्रोवाइड करते हैं दोनों फ्लोर्स के बीच में, जो कि स्ट्रेट स्टेयर्स के बीच में नहीं होता. आप नीचे खड़े होकर सीधा ऊपर देख सकते हैं कोई जा रहा है आ रहा है स्ट्रेट स्टेयर्स के केस में, बट एल शेप्ड स्टेयर्स के केस में थोड़ी बहुत प्राइवेसी ये अफोर्ड करती है. देन some people believe that they are safer than straight stairs, क्योंकि जो लैंडिंग है वो नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स को रिड्यूस कर देती है. एक एट वन गो जो नंबर ऑफ स्टेप्स होंगे किसी भी स्टेयर केस में वो कम हो जाते हैं. तो अगर इफ यू अनफॉर्चुनेटली इफ समवन वाज टू फॉल डाउन, उस केस में चोट लगने के चांसेस एल शेप्ड स्टेयर्स में कम होते हैं. The landing can also provide a place to stop and rest. खासकर aged लोगों के केस में the landing serves as a place for them to catch their breath, and they can be located in the corner of a room. क्योंकि corners में normally L-shaped stairs बहुत अच्छे से fit हो जाती हैं. Straight stair के लिए like we said you need a far more wider area. But स्ट्रेट स्टेयर्स के कंपैरिजन में एल शेप्ड स्टेयर्स बनाना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. सो दैट इज अ टाइनी डिसएडवांटेज दैट वी हैव विद एल शेप्ड स्टेयर्स. अलॉन्ग विद दैट आपको एक सपोर्ट की जरूरत पड़ती है लैंडिंग के लिए एल शेप्ड स्टेयर्स में, और आमतौर पर दिस सपोर्ट इज built into the surrounding wall ताकि ये अननोटिस सा एक सपोर्ट बने। हाउएवर मॉडर्न ड्वेलिंग्स में, यानी आमतौर पर आज हम जो कंटेम्प्रेरी कंस्ट्रक्शन देखते हैं, people tend to open up the space by leaving the stair structure visible, because stairs are no longer just a functional unit, they are also a very dramatic and an aesthetic unit of houses nowadays. Handrails for these types of stairs need more skill and planning as compared to the handrails of straight stairs. And another disadvantage is that in climates jahan basements use hote hain, stairs are typically stacked over each other for efficient use of space. But basements are often used for storage. Large items can be difficult to move in and out of the basement, क्योंकि जब angle आप दे देते हैं L-shaped stairs में, then if you were to climb up these stairs and with a long large cupboard or a bed, then moving this, it's at this angle, will create some problem. So those are the disadvantages of L-shaped stairs. Then we have the U-shaped stairs. I'm sure many of you must have seen these kind of stairs in your colleges or in your schools, educational buildings, etc. They are two parallel flights जिसके बीच में लैंडिंग जो है 180 डिग्री का डायरेक्शनल चेंज अफोर्ड करती है। इसके बीच की लैंडिंग पूरा डायरेक्शन 180 डिग्री चेंज कर देती है, गिविंग देम टू पैरेलल flight of stairs. The advantages are that U-shaped stairs are much more easier to fit in an architectural plan. ये भी comparatively कम space use करती हैं as compared to straight or L-shaped stairs, and they also create some interest, like what we can see here in this picture. They create some interest because you are suddenly changing the direction of the stairs, so it is more dramatic than the normal straight stairs. And again, the landing is a very good place to catch your breath, to get some rest in between those long flight of stairs. But they are a bit more difficult. Now the difficulty level is going to rise from straight stairs to L-shaped stairs to U-shaped stairs. So you need far more skilled workmen or laborers to build up a U-shaped flight of stairs. Then we have the winder stairs. In last class, when we discussed about the components of the staircase, we had also learnt about winders, which are the kind of steps narrow at one point and wider at the other end, affording a directional change in the stairs without really giving a landing. So these are winders. Here they are narrow in one end and wider on the other end. So these are winders, and what they are doing, they are changing the direction of the whole flight of stairs without giving a landing. These can be used in houses where you have very less space for staircases. So they are very common in older homes, or they are common in homes where grand staircase जो है एक अच्छी बड़ी staircase entry way में है, but winder staircase kitchen में या फिर किसी छोटे area में दबाई जा सकती हैं, बनाई जा सकती हैं. Again, another advantage is that they have more visual interest than other stair types. They create more drama, they create more interest than the normal flight of straight stairs. They also create a more seamless transition. यानी अगर आप L-shaped stairs में भी जाते हैं तो sudden change direction में होता है, U-shaped stairs में भी जाते हैं तो भी sudden change होता है. But in winder stairs एक smooth transition आप दे पाते हैं अपनी stairs को directional change is concerned, as far as the directional change is concerned. So they have gained a lot of popularity in modern homes because they are compact, they take up less space. However, they are little harder to navigate. For kids and for older people, using these flight of stairs are a bit of a complication. Then it can be more difficult to add a handrail, क्योंकि इसमें handrail आपको specialized direction या specialized shape की होना ज़रूरी है, and they need a central support. यहाँ पर नीचे they need a central support, some sort of supporting structure which provides strength to the overall flight of stairs. Then we have these very interesting type of stairs called the spiral stairs. They follow a helical arc. I'm sure you know what a helical structure is. Uh, the DNA structure. All right. So they follow a helical structure, and they have a very compact design. They need very less space. They afford a lot of privacy, and they normally radiate around a central pole. एक central pole होता है जिसके जिसके चारों तरफ ये स्टेयर्स घूम के और आपको ऊपर के फ्लोर पर पहुंचा देती हैं. So one of the key advantages of spiral stair is that they are compact. They need very less space. They are space saving structures which are extensively used in smaller lofts and flats. Then they can be attractive because there are many variation in railing styles which are available, which has a major impact on the overall appearance of the stairs. And since the center pole and landing typically provide the structural support for the stairs, इनको extra support की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती, क्योंकि ये जो central pole है ये काफ़ी अच्छा support इनको strength इस पूरे structure को provide करता है, and installing them is very easy. They are pre-prepared wrought iron staircases जिनको आके install करना is a matter of hours. So construction अपने आप में ही cost कम हो जाता है. However, there are certain disadvantages, like they are more difficult to navigate. If we say that winder stairs are difficult for aged people and children, spiral stairs are even more difficult to navigate. It is because of this reason that many building codes or many building rules, laws, they do not allow them to be used as a primary access. इसको आप कहीं भी ऊपर जब हम ऐसी स्टेयर्स देखते हैं तो नॉर्मली ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्स में देखते हैं जो कभी कभार यूज में आती हैं. प्राइमरी यूज के लिए स्पाइरल स्टेयर्स अलाउड नहीं होती कई सारे बिल्डिंग लॉज के अनुसार. इसके साथ ही यहाँ पर चोट लगना, गिरना, बैलेंस लूज करने के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं. बड़े आइटम्स को लेकर, लार्ज आइटम्स को कैरी करके इन स्टेयर्स पे चलना काफ़ी मुश्किल होता है, और एक टाइम पे एक ही व्यक्ति इस स्टेयर्स को क्लाइंब कर सकता है. नॉट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल कैन, इट्स नॉट बाई डायरेक्शनल. एक टाइम पे एक व्यक्ति चढ़ रहा है और दूसरा उतर रहा है, ये संभव नहीं हो पाता स्पाइरल स्टेयर्स के केस में. Then we have the curved stairs. They are different than spiral stairs because spiral stairs एक helical structure follow करती हैं पूरा, but ये उसका एक portion ही follow करते हैं. Rather than moving a whole helical structure, these curved stairs just tend to curve a little bit. They don't follow the overall helical structure. इनका रेडियस काफ़ी बड़ा होता है. ये थोड़ी पूरा सर्कल तो नहीं जा पाती हैं, बट दे हैव अ लार्जर कर्व. फॉर दिस रीजन दे आर ऑलमोस्ट ऑलवेज लोकेटेड एट द एंट्री, ताकि ये बहुत ही ड्रामेटिक वे और बहुत ही अच्छा फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन प्रोवाइड करती हैं. दैट इज द रीजन वाई नॉर्मली कर्व्ड स्टेयर्स आर used especially at the entryways. There are many advantages, like they are often very elegant and traditional and provide a very, even after being traditional, they provide a very useful and an interesting aspect even in contemporary architecture as well. And they are relatively easy to walk up. अगर रेडियस बड़ा है, कर्व थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, चौड़ा है, तो इसके ऊपर नेविगेट करना काफ़ी इजी हो जाता है एज कम्पेयर टू योर स्पाइरल स्टेयर्स और द वाइंडर स्टेयर्स. However, curved stairs are most difficult to construct because they need a lot of skill and lot of calculations. Building curved stairs basically एक अचीवमेंट होता है किसी भी स्टेयर बिल्डर या फैब्रिकेटर के लिए. अगर वो एक परफेक्ट पेयर ऑफ फ्लाइट बना ले, कर्व्ड स्टेयर्स बना ले, देन इट इज हिज पिनाकल ऑफ अचीवमेंट. सो फॉर दिस रीजन ये सबसे ज़्यादा कॉस्टली होती हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. द कंस्ट्रक्टर्स चार्ज अ hefty amount for constructing curved stairs. And then we have these cantilever stairs. They are very interesting. They are the kind of stairs जिसमें risers नहीं होते. They are just treads जिसपे आप पाँव रखते हैं. बीच के risers जो हैं वो नहीं होते. So they feel like the treads are floating in the air and जो स्ट्रिंगर है वो एक साइड से तो आपकी जो ट्रेड्स हैं वो दीवार में घुसी हुई होंगी और दूसरी साइड से देयर विल बी नो स्ट्रिंगर. दे आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड दे गिव अ वेरी ओपन फील. स्टेयर्स जो हैं वो इम्पेंडिंग या डोमिनेटिंग नहीं लगती अगर आपने कैंटिलीवर स्टेयर्स बनाई हैं जिसमें रेलिंग और राइजर्स नहीं होते. So there are advantages that they create more visual interest and they are unique. They are very unique. They typically provide a very open and a spacious aesthetic to the room. However, the design of the structure needs to be taken into consideration ताकि आपको इसमें बहुत स्ट्रेंथ की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी क्योंकि राइजर्स और स्ट्रिंगर अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो इसमें आपके ट्रेड्स को जिस तरीके से आप इंस्टॉल करेंगे स्ट्रेंथ विल हैव टू बी अ वेरी प्रोमिनेंट एस्पेक्ट. देन पोटेंशियल जो भी वेट बेयर करना है ट्रेड को उसको भी आपको ध्यान में रखते हुए ट्रेड सपोर्ट्स को ध्यान से डिज़ाइन करना पड़ता है. एंड कैंटिलीवर स्टेयर्स आर मोर कॉस्टली देन अ typical straight stairs because you need a lot of calculation here as well and a very load bearing strong material. And then we have the last type, that is the ladder. Ladders just like stairs basically एक फ्लोर से दूसरे फ्लोर को कनेक्ट करने का काम करते हैं but they are very compact. They can easily connect one floor to the another. They are cost effective. They are very simple in their design. Wheels अगर ladder में लगे हुए हैं तो आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह इसको शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं. आप shelves को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. हाइट में वेरिएशन ला सकते हैं. But they are very difficult to climb. People are scared to climb up the ladders and they cannot be used as a primary staircase. Ladders आप सिर्फ वहीं लगा सकते हैं जहां आपको कभी कभार चढ़ने की जरूरत पड़ती है. प्राइमरीली अगर आपके घर का स्ट्रक्चर है ऐसा तो आप ladders का इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते. You need a full-fledged pair of flight of stairs. So that is all for today's class. Thank you all for watching. These were the types of stairs that we had covered in today's class, and for notes on the topic do check the description box below. Thank you.